The scan-to-move function is an inventory feature that allows warehouse operators to move a receipt of a material from one location to another without the need to split a lot or split a receipt. This is an option that can replace the split-to-new-bin function. Users can select either option. The operator starts by clicking the Scan-to-Move button on the main inventory management screen. This opens an interactive screen where they use their barcode scanner to scan the label on the item to be moved. The barcode label is encoded for an internally generated receipt number, but the operator only needs to be aware of the receipt number of the item. After they scan the barcode on the label, they can then scan the barcode on the destination bin. They can approve this process by scanning their badge code or by setting up the browser to remember their username and password. When these actions are completed, a confirmation screen opens to ensure the material, quantity to move and destination bin are accurate. When this is confirmed, the new bin location will show up in the inventory management main screen and in a new record for that receipt that is unique for that bin location. If material is removed or used from this bin location, the Scan to Use button is clicked. This opens a screen where first the barcode on the bottle is scanned and then barcode on the bin location is scanned. This opens a summary screen where the material is verified and the amount to be removed is entered. When this is completed, the quantity remaining for this receipt is updated and applies to any of this material receipt in all of their current bin locations. The quantity remaining for this receipt will be shown next to the quantity in the specific bin. If items need to be returned to a bin, the Scan to Use function can be used. This time the amount is a negative number to indicate that items are being put back into the bin. In summary, the Scan-to-Move function lets operators quickly transfer a material receipt from one bin to another without splitting lots, simply by scanning the item's barcode, the destination bin, and confirming the move, thus ensuring smooth, accurate inventory operations under GMP controls.